oil, tataas ng tataas yan. I think that the war in Europe will be one of attrition. Pagka attrition, araw-araw, walang hinto na yan increase. I'd like to make a warning to itong mga association ng transport or everything. That is not the end. Every time that you complain and go into a demonstration, just make sure that you realize and understand the importance of oil and how it would affect all nations. Talagang magdaan tayo ng hirap. Kaya nagpasalamat ako sa Diyos na magtapos na ako, bilisan na lang niya ang mga araw kasi kawawa talaga itong susunod. Tignan niyo. Hindi ito na yung, hindi everyday. It will the prices will increase and increase and increase until we can have a stable situation. The whole lahat ng countries dito sa Pilipinas makarecover. Tayo, hindi, yung nakikita ninyong increases ngayon, wala yan. Tignan ninyo, as the days go by, tapos oil becomes a weapon of choice for nations.